Kid-Friendly TV.
Hey guys, it's Whitney from Kid-Friendly TV, and today we are playing with the Leapfrog Count Along Register. It looks really cool. It comes with 20 different pieces. We get money, groceries, and this really cool cash register.
Open for business!
I can't wait to play with this with you guys today. It's going to be really fun. So let's go ahead and open up the box. The play set comes with all sorts of good food like strawberries, grapes, cheese, bread, carrots, eggs, and we get peas. It also comes with money. Money. Let's count how much money it comes with. Are you ready? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This playset even comes with a loyalty card, and it is green. It counts all the way up to the number 10. And here's the fun part. It's the cash register. How cool is this? The cash register has a cute little face up here with a smile, and it says Leapfrog. I wanted to show you guys something really awesome. Do you remember all the items that we just went through, all the stuff that we have, the groceries? It shows us a picture of each item. So for instance, we have strawberries right here. So if we want to buy strawberries, we would push the strawberry button. And let's see, if we wanted to buy carrots, which button would we push? This is the carrot button. So that is really neat, how it has all the different buttons for all the grocery items we have. We have milk, carrots, strawberries, bread, eggs, cheese, grapes, and peas. So that is so cool. It also counts up to the number 10 on here. And then it says total. And then down here is where we can open up the cash register. Just like that. We can keep all our money. That is going to be really cool. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's turn on the cash register. Are you ready? Here we go.
Open for business!
Alright, let's see. Someone wants to buy strawberries. So let's push
Red strawberries. Delish! Best ever! In the fruit aisle, I'm shopping around. In the fruit aisle, look what I found. Red strawberries.
Yummy!
You've selected one item. Your total is 1 coin. Insert 1 coin. Did you get everything on your list?
Alright, let's put our 1 coin in the cash register.
1 coin. You paid 1 coin. Enjoy your yummy groceries.
I think I hear a customer. Let's see who our first customer of the day is. Are you ready? Alright. Oh my gosh, look who it is. It's Kevin. Banana. Kevin, I'm sorry, we don't have any bananas today. Is there something else you'd like? Grapes. Grapes. Okay, Kevin, let's get you some grapes. Okay, let's see. Do these look good? Okay, perfect. Let's scan them.
Yum, yum.
Okay, let's push the grapes button.
Purple grapes. Grapes. What's your favorite fruit?
Banana! Okay, Kevin, let's press total.
You selected one item. Your total is 1 coin.
Okay.
Insert 1 coin.
Okay, Kevin, let's get 1 coin. Can you help me put it in, Kevin?
You selected one item. 1 coin. You paid 1 coin. Wow, you better have a big cupboard for all that.
Great job, Kevin. Here's your grapes. We have another customer today at the grocery store. Who is it? It's Mickey Mouse. Hey, Mickey. Well, hello. What can I get for you today? I'll take some cheese, please. Okay, Mickey, let's get you some cheese. All right, here we go. Let's scan it.
Oops, scan again.
Uh-oh.
Best ever.
Perfect. Let's press cheese.
Yellow cheese. Fresh.
Okay, let's press total.
You selected one item. Your total is 1 coin. Insert 1 coin.
Okay, Mickey, it's 1 coin, please.
You selected one item. Your total is 1 coin. Insert 1 coin. 1 coin. You paid 1 coin. Thank you. Have a delicious day.
Here's your cheese, Mickey. Well, thank you. Have a nice day. See you later, toodles. This leapfrog count along register is so awesome to play with. I really love this. It's so cool how we can press all the different grocery items and all the numbers 1 to 10. That was really cool. But I think my favorite part was being able to put the money into the cash register. That was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks so much for watching. And please make sure you subscribe to Kid Friendly TV. All you need to do is click on subscribe down below so you don't miss out on our daily fun toy videos. I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Hey guys, it's Whitney.
And Pete from Kid Friendly TV, and today we have these awesome new toys from the Paw Patrol. It's the Pup to Hero playsets. We have Marshall
And Sky.
and these are really cool because you can transform from regular pups to hero pups.